Hi, I am Avijay Jaiswal. I am Senior Product Manager at PokerBaazi. One of our core mission is to introduce this beautiful mind sport game to the much more larger audience of India.
Hi, my name is Isha Sharma. I'm a Product Marketing Manager here at PokerBaazi. I work with Growth Team.
Hi, I'm Surbhi Mishra and I am a Product Manager here at PokerBaazi. I am part of the Growth product team. I basically work with Avijit in productizing new user journeys and coming up with features to engage and retain users.
You cannot simply create an app and assume that user will get to know about a different section, different journeys. People mostly ignore or just silence their notification. But the product pull where the user himself or herself is actually opening the application for something that he wished to do, that's where I think the in-app engagement becomes crucial, because there the intent is there and the other channels are becoming pretty much a white space where everybody is just ignoring it. It's important to leverage or respect your users' time. You not only need to introduce about certain elements of your application at a particular time, but at a specific moment too, for which we leverage not only internally developed tools but Plotline too. A year back, we were experimenting with the idea how to solve or do our experiments for new users.
So we were lacking in basically introducing users to in-app features.
Usually in the past, I recall it used to take a lot of time first to ideate and then brainstorm the design and the development. So for any experimentation which used to take good 1 to 3 months earlier, now with the Plotline integration, we can run experiments like within even for a short span of 2 days.
One of the major campaigns that we executed through Plotline was introducing users to a new transaction page. So we made a lot of tooltips and gave them a proper walkthrough where they can see their deposits, their failed deposits, their successful deposits, their withdrawals, how they can leverage it as downloading the invoice for their tax purposes.
We also do some campaigns using picture-in-picture video. Video content is more engaging and the user actually is watching the video end to end, and we usually use these types of campaigns to create some hype around some of our biggest tournaments.
We have literally cut down, I would say, 20 to 25% of our development by not focusing on how to GTM it, because that is already being taken care of when Plotline is integrated within that specific feature. I recall at the time of integration when we were exploring many similar tools, we had certain use cases in our mind. To our surprise, the integration was very quick. It was only a day or two.
Plotline dashboard is very seamless and it has been very easy to adapt as well, because non-technical teams are running campaigns, they are doing iteration on the content. We are not dependent on the tech to do developments at their end to show a feature on app to our users. We have been able to do a lot of experiments through this, and we have been able to make data-driven decisions because of this, because we can see on the dashboard itself that what is working and what's not working. So it has made user experience a lot better for us.